Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID and that an iCloud backup exists. Once connected to solid Wi-Fi and power, confirm your iPhone has enough free storage to accept incoming content. Next, choose what you will restore now: photos and contacts versus full app states, because some app data can't be merged without a full restore. To start, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and review which services are enabled for syncing, so you can pull data selectively. Now you'll pull data into place. Go to iCloud. Com from a browser to export contacts, calendars, notes, and files. Once downloaded, re-import or open them on your iPhone. Back on the device, toggle on iCloud photos and messages in Settings to let media and conversations resync. Make sure Optimize iPhone Storage is set correctly if space is limited. For app-specific saved states, check each app's internal cloud option or run a reputable backup extraction tool on the iCloud backup. To finish by validating that synced items appear where expected: photos in Photos, contacts in Contacts, notes in Notes. If something doesn't show up, force quit the app or reboot the phone, then check Settings to re-enable the affected iCloud service. Signing out and back into your Apple ID can kick stalled syncs. If app state or complex data is still missing, export what you can, contact Apple support for guidance, or use a local full restore workflow after saving a fresh backup of your current device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.